మైక్ చూడండి. Yeah. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
See here, the first unit is a regression. Ma, the other students, please mute your mics. Just all the students mute your mics. All of you. Here in the first unit, it is a regression. What is a regression? A regression, it is a simple regression where it has the two variables. Without the two variables, we cannot go for the regression. So one is a dependent, the other one is a independent. Is it clear? Are you getting the point?
Yes, ma'am.
So here in this we have two types of a regressions. One is a simple and the multiple. The other one is a linear and non-linear regression. In the simple regression, there it is a analysis where it is a functional relationship between two sets. So it may be that is the two sets of variables A and the B. One is dependent, the other one is a independent. So that is a simple regression. And where it is indicates that is the cost. For example, the selling cost is independent. The selling cost, whatever the selling cost we have, that is a independent variable, and the company sales is a Y, that is a dependent. So here always the company sales will be dependent on the sale of the sales in the market. Is it clear? Are you getting my point? And next is a linear and non-linear regression. In the linear and non-linear regression, there also we have the two sets of variables where it is either linear or the non-linear. Means where it is a proportion of changes in the same for the both the variables. There will be a say changes. For example, in case that proportional change in variables in the two sets, that will be constant. That is y is equals to a plus bx. And in this unit, important question is differences between the correlation and regression. Write down. Students, unmute your mic. Aisha? 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 Aarti?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting point? Just you
Yes,
write
ma'am.
down important question, that is a correlation versus regression. It is very important question. It may come for 12 marks.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? And it is there in
Ma'am,
your
correlation. Can you please tell us again, ma'am? Correlation
and regression. It is there in your textbook, the first unit.
Ma'am, good evening. Will you please repeat the point of dependent and independent?
Here, there in the regression, there will be a two variables. One is a dependent, the other one is a independent. So in this, we have a two types. And the one variable is dependent, the other one is a independent. Okay. So here the selling cost is a independent. And the selling cost of the company, it is a dependent. The company sales is a Y. That is a dependent. कंपनी सेल्स कभी भी किसके ऊपर सेल्स कॉस्ट के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट होकर रहता. समझ में आ रहा? And we have two types of regressions. One is a simple and a multiple. The other one is a linear and non-linear regression. Okay? Prasad? Independent versus variables. Independent versus variables means here it is a regression. It is a mathematical measures where it is an average relationship between two or more variables. Always it is a mathematical measures of average. That is two or more variables where it is a makes the measures of original cost. That is the original units. And directly we'll go to the problem. So here see this one. The question is X. Question कैसा देते बोले तो which language it will be more preferable to you?
English, ma'am.
Okay. The other? Here in this group, there are the Telugu students also there. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Student amma, देखो X and Y. Only these values will be given. आ रहा समझ में? X value and Y value. So question will be see in your textbook. Once you see in your textbook, from the following data, obtain two regression equations. Calculate the coefficient of. Ma, what is the first unit for you? Two regression equations. Is it?
Correlation, ma'am.
What is the first question? It is there. What is first unit?
Correlation, ma'am. What is meant by correlation, ma'am?
Okay. What is meant by correlation you have?
Correlation. Yes.
Next unit. What is the next unit?
Methods of studying correlation.
Next unit. Next block क्या है? Regression.
Next, regression and time series.
Regression is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ah.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Regression and time series.
So
Unit 4 regression analysis and unit 5 regression equations, ma'am.
no. First block is the correlation.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
First block correlation.
Second block.
Regression and time series.
Okay.
Regression and time series.
So first I'll be telling the regression because I have prepared the PPT for
Okay.
regression. Okay. So here,
Okay, ma'am.
take
Okay,
out the
ma'am.
second block, ma. In the second block, you have the differences between the regression and the correlation. है ना? Table डाल के regression में
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
block
ma'am.
2.
Yes, ma'am.
That is very important for 12 question, 12 marks. टिक कर लो वाइंस. फिर बाद में नहीं पूछना मैडम हमारे को क्या important क्या है बोल के. Okay? हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
So now, question you see in the two regression. See the question of regression. They will give the find out the two regression equation. Two regression equation. Is it? नहीं दिए क्वेश्चन कहाँ पर भी नहीं है.
It is unit 5, madam. Regression equation.
Unit 5
Yes, ma'am.
वहाँ regression lesson में ही रहता. Problems नहीं है क्या?
Unit regression में है तो problems नहीं है, madam. Unit 4 में.
Problems
Unit 5 में
देखो
है,
बोल.
madam.
Problems देखो बोल.
Okay, ma'am.
See the problem.
Page number 65, ma'am.
Yes. But here I have made one the PPT that it depends upon a regression problems. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So here the question will be X and Y, and they'll ask you to find out the two regression equations. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
तुम लोगों को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
समझ में आया है मैडम, बोलो मैडम.
आ रहा मैम, समझ नहीं आ रहा.
So the question कैसा रहता बोलते हो X and Y. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
first when you are writing the X, after that you draw the two lines and write the Y. After that you write X and the X square.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? ये नहीं है. This is extra.
Yes,
It has come.
ma'am.
Okay?
है मैम, 67 पेज नंबर पे है, 67 पे है.
Then XY. ये column नहीं है. Don't write this one. So here question is X and the Y. So here they are asking the dependent. Regression equation Y on X means X is the dependent on Y. Two regression equation. One will be the dependent. The other time Y will be dependent. यहाँ पे देखो टू रिग्रेशन इक्वेशन बोल तो रिग्रेशन इक्वेशन एक्स ऑन वाई, रिग्रेशन इक्वेशन वाई ऑन एक्स. यार आपने क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछ रहा? टू रिग्रेशन इक्वेशंस बोल तो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द रिग्रेशन इक्वेशन एक्स ऑन वाई, रिग्रेशन इक्वेशन वाई ऑन एक्स. ये तो फाइंड आउट करना है. आ रहा समझ में?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ah, now see here x value is 1 2 3 4 5. Y is the 2 3 5 4 6. So what is the total sigma x? It is a 15.
15.
Y is a sigma y is a 20. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So first you have to find out the x mean. You have to find out x minus x mean. Mean value you have to find out. That is sigma x divided by n. That is 15 divided by 5. The value is how much? 3.
Yes. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15.
है ना?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Then 3 अपने को value आया ना? 3 minus 1. Sorry, 1 minus 3 means x minus mean. This is the smallest one. This is the bigger
Yes.
one. 1
Yes.
minus 3, it is a minus 2.
Yes,
2
ma'am.
minus 3 minus 1. 3 minus 3, it is a 0. 4 minus 3 is a 1. 5 minus 3 is a 2. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And you have to square it. 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 1, 1. 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 1. 2 into 2, 4. Sigma x square, it is a 10. 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. It is a 10. Now we have to see the y. Same, that is a y minus y mean. This is a y mean value. Sigma y divided by n. Sigma y, what is the value? 20. 20 divided by number of observations. Number of observation, how many we have? 5.
5.
That is a 4. 2 minus 5. Sorry. 2 minus 4 minus 2. 3 minus 4 minus 1. 5 minus 4, it is a 1. 4 minus 4, it is a 0. 6 minus 4, it is a 2. Now you have to square it. 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Okay. Here it is 1. By mistake, it has come 0. Who is that? Don't disturb my class. My here it is a 1 into 1, 1. This by mistake, it has come 0. Ma. Make it correct in your side. 0 into 0, it is 0. 2 2s are 4. So here also we got x square is a 10. Y square is also 10. Now you have to take the xy. Here it is a x and here it is a y. 2 into, yes, here minus value, it becomes plus. 2 into 2, it is a 4. 1 into 1, it is a 1. 0 into 0 into 1, 0 into 1, 0. Okay. 1 into 0, 0. 2 into 2 into 2, it is a 4. Is it clear? Here x and
Yes,
here
ma'am.
it is a y. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, can you
Yes,
please explain again calculation, ma'am?
here, first you have to take the value of x. When it is given x and the y. So in this question, what they have given, two regression equation you have to find out. One is x on y, the other one is a y on x. Okay. So x value, sigma x, it is a 15. A y is equals to sigma y is equals to 20. How many observations we have? 5 observations. Here, n is a 5 observation. Number of observation is a 5. So mean you have to find. X minus mean. What is the x here? Sigma x, it is a 15. What is the n here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a 5. 15 divided by 5, it is a 3. Mean value is a 3. Okay? Yes, Madhubabu? I think anywhere with a blank face, you are not able to understand.
Understand, ma'am.
Ma'am,
No,
only
some of the
calculation is
students.
confusion, ma'am. So,
Wait, 1 minute, 2 minutes give me. I'll
yeah,
let you
okay.
know.
Okay.
I'm not able to make it. I'm not making the. See the screen. See the screen.
Ma'am, that is 2 keys reverse, ma'am.
Yeah. That's what.
Yeah. That's what.
I want to do
I
this
want
one.
to do this one.
Madam, you don't mind, I want to tell one thing, ma'am.
Ma?
లాస్ట్ టైం మీరు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసింది కానీ మాకు బాగా నచ్చింది మేడం. అంటే మీరు నోట్ చేసుకుంటా చెప్పడం మాకు బాగా నచ్చింది.
Actually, I'm trying.
అది కూడా
Actually, I'm trying.
ఓకే ఓకే మ్యామ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
వస్తలేదు నాకు. అది నేను మీకు చెప్పడానికి రావట్లేదమ్మా.
మేడం సెమ్ 3 కి మీరు వాళ్ళు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి మేడం.
ఏంటమ్మా?
సెమ్ 3 కి మీరు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు కదా మేడం, నోట్ చేసుకుంటా.
అదే నేను ట్రై చేస్తున్నా,
అదే
రావట్లేదు
పేపర్ లో
నాకు.
చూపించారు కదా.
Okay, today you will score.
Okay, today your hero score. Okay, today your hero score. Okay, today your hero score.
ఈ రోజుకి ఒక్కసారి మీరు హలో హలో
Ma'am,
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me.
tomorrow I'll try to make it because last time I only taken the business statistics, is it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
I did like a board where you are able to understand very well.
Yes, ma'am.
So tomorrow, sure, because I'm not able to connect it because last time also when I'm taking for the fifth semester, that is income tax, I'm not able to do it. So once again, I have to make it and I'll show you tomorrow definitely how to do these problems. Okay, ma'am?
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
So
ma'am.
ఈ
Thank you, ma'am.
రోజుకి మాత్రము whatever I'm telling you, just you carefully ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మళ్ళీ నేను రివిజన్ లో నేను చెప్తాను లాస్ట్ లో. ఓకేనా?
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Okay, ma'am.
సో హియర్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎక్స్ ఉంది కదమ్మా, ఎక్స్ is sigma x is a 15 and we have the number of observation is a 5. 15 divided by 5 it is a 3. Okay na? So here
Yes,
first you have to complete it the x value. Here it is a 3. X minus x means here 1 minus 3 it is a minus 2. 2 minus 3 it is a minus 1. 3 minus 3 it is a 0. 4 minus 3 it is a 1. 5 minus 2 3 it is a 2. And here you have to square it. 2 into 2 4, 1 into 1 1, 0 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 it is a 4. So sigma square is equal to 10. Next is a y. Y will also will be given. So here 2, 3, 5, 6, 4, 6 is the values of the y. So when we total it, that is sigma y is equals to 20. Okay. So x minus y mean. So first you have to find out the mean value. Mean is equals to sigma y is equals to here y it is a 20. And how many observations here? We have the 5. 20 divided by 5 it is a 4. Mean value of y it is a 4. Here what is the y value? It is a 2. Y mean value it is a 4. 2 minus 4 it is a minus 2. Okay. 3 minus 4 it is a minus 1. 5 minus 4 it is a 1. Okay now. 4 minus 4 it is a 0. 6 minus 4 it is a 2. And you have to square it. That is a y minus y mean. 2 into 2 it is a 4. 1 into 1 it is a 1. 1 into 1 it is a 1 only because by mistake it has come the 0. 0 into 0 it is a 0. 2 into 2 is a 4. The total y square is a 10. Now you have to take the xy. xy ante ex ey kaadu. This one x minus y x mean, y minus y mean. It is a x and y. Here minus 2, here also minus 2. You have to multiply it. 2 into 2 it is a 4. 1 into 1 it is a 1. 0 into 1 it is a 0. 0 ones are 0. 1 into 0 it is a 0. 2 into 2 it is a 4. And this value it is a 9. 4 plus 1 plus 4 it is a 9.
Ma'am, x and y values should be calculated x minus x and y minus y, right?
Yes, yes, exactly. Not this and this. X minus mean,
Done.
y minus mean. Now
Oh,
understood?
yeah, okay, ma'am, done.
Now you have to make it the values. That is, here see, regression equation x on y. So this one, standard deviation, that is r x by y. So this value you have to find out first. Okay. So I'm taking it as a rx, that is standard x by y. I'll show you here. Rx by y. When we are taking it is a x on y. So here x minus mean is equals to rx divided by y. X ఉంది కదమ్మా, x పైనికి రావాలి, y అనేది కిందికి రావాలి. When y on x అన్నప్పుడు rx, y should be up, x will be on the denominator. Is it clear? So for this, first I am taking this value. How to find out this value is, that is r, always, otherwise you can ry. Means here, when we am taking here ry divided by x, rx divided by y. ఈ రెండు వాల్యూస్ అలగలగా తీసుకోవాలి, వేరు వేరు తీసుకోవాలా. rxy ఉంది కదా, rx ఇలా సి rx divided by y. ఇవి ఇక్కడ వెళ్ళిపోయినాయి.
Yes, ma'am.
rx divided by y. This one is standard rx by y. That should be taken as sigma xy divided by sigma y square. That is x on y. X should become up. When it comes y వచ్చినప్పుడు y పైకి రావాలి. So I am finding out the first the value of this one. So rx divided by y, that is sigma xy divided by sigma y square. Y ఉంది కదా ఇక్కడ, y square. So what is the sigma here? 9 divided by 10. That is 0.59. ఇక్కడ రెండిటికి వాల్యూ సేమ్ వచ్చినాయి కాబట్టి రెండు దగ్గర మనకు వాల్యూ సేమ్ వస్తాయి. In the question, the regression equation, we have the different formulas will not have. Only one formula, that is a regression equation on x on y, regression equation y on x. ఉంది కదా టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో చూడండి. See in your textbook.
Yes, ma'am.
X minus 1, when you are taking this one, regression equation x on y. So x should come first. X minus x mean is equals to rx divided by y. Y minus y mean. Here we don't know x value. You know the x mean value. ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా 3. X minus 3 is equals to rx divided by y. ఏంటి value? 9. It is a 9. Y minus y mean ఎంత? Y minus y ఎంత ఇక్కడ? 4. అవునా? అర్థమైందా? समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So here x minus 3, it is as it is. Now 0.9 it is there now. You can multiply 0.9 into y, 0.y. 0.9 into 4, it is a 3.6. Okay? So I'm taking it as a x is equals to, here I'm finding out the x value, that is x on y. X on y means we have to find out the x value. X is equals to 0.9 y minus 3.6 is a plus, no? When it comes here, it becomes plus. यहाँ पे माइनस है ना, यहाँ पे लेके आए तो ये प्लस हो जाता. That is 3. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
X is equals to 3.99 minus 3 point, here minus into plus minus 3.6 plus 3. It is a 0.6. आया समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have to find out the regression equation y on x. Y minus y mean is equals to ry divided by x. X minus x mean. यहाँ पर अपने को y mean है ना? Y minus y mean, it is a 4. X ry divided by x, it is a 0, 9. यहाँ पे find out करें ना? 0.9, 0.9. X minus, that is the mean value, it is a 3. Now, here we got the value of x. Here you have to find out the value of y. So, y minus 4 is equals to 0.9 into x minus 3. So, y minus 4 is equals to 0.9x. 0.9 into x, 0.9x minus 0.9 into 3, 2.7. Y is equals to 0.9x minus 2.7 plus 4. Y is equals to, means here अपने को x value, we have x value, so we cannot minus or plus with the number which is not having any variable. So 0.9x plus, here it is minus into plus minus 2.7 plus 4, it is a 1.3. आया समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Only the thing is you have to make it first table is correct. Then here the calculation. Then x on y and y on x. Write it down in your books fast. Take turn ma fast. हो गया?
Scroll, ma'am. Finished, ma'am.
Ma'am, this equation is correlation, ma'am.
Yes.
Correlation, right?
Regression. Regression.
Regression.
Take down the third problem. Shall I scroll it?
1 minute, ma'am.
Scroll, ma'am.
అర్థమైందమ్మా? Yes, everyone has understood.
Yes, ma'am.
So here we have the number 2, 4, 6, 8. Here also they ask the two regression equation. One is x on y, the other one is y on x. Here what is the total of x value? That is a 20. Okay. And the other one is a y value, that is 85. So first I have to find out the value of this one. That is the mean I have to find out. Without the mean, I cannot go with the regression equation. Here I got the x value, that is a 20. Sigma x divided by n. That is 20 divided by 4. It is a 5.
5.
So 2 minus 5, it is a minus 3. 4 minus 5, it is a 1. 6 minus 5, it is a 1. Because here 5 is greater than 5. 6 is greater than 5. It is a 1. 8 minus 5, it is a 3. Again, you have to square it. So 3 into 3, it is a 9. Minus value है तो minus into minus plus हो जाता. Okay. Then 1 into 1, it is a 1. 1 into 1, it is a 1. 3 into 3, it is a 9. Okay. Now, y value. Y value, that is a Sigma y, it is a 85. So here I have to find out the y mean. That is sigma y divided by n. That is 21.22. That is 85 divided by 4. 4 are the observations now. That is 21.225. Then y square. Y square, it is 11.25 into 11.25. That is 126.5. 1.25 into 1.25. It is 1.56. Then 3.75 into 3.75, it is a 14.06. 75 into 8.75, it is a 76.56. Then x into y we have to take. Not this and this, not this y. Here, this is a x, this is a y. You have to multiply minus 3 into 11.25. That is 33.75. Okay? Then 1 into 1.25, it is a 1.25. 1 into 3.75, it is a 3.75. 3 into 8.75, it is a 26.25. When we total it, we get the xy, it is a 65. Only the thing you have to find out, that is sigma x minus mean is equals to rx divided by y minus y. That is y mean. So first you have to find out this one. So to find out this value, sigma xy divided by x square. Because we are finding out the value of x, no? That's why you have to take, you have to take the value of y. See here, x on y, no? What is the denominator here? We have y we have. So down y square you have to take. Sigma xy divided by sigma y square. Okay? So what is the sigma xy? It is a 65. What is the sigma y square? Here we have 2.874. That is this value of rx divided by y. It is a 0.30. Then when you are taking this y on x, you have to find out the value, you see, r. So you have to take denominator. What will be the denominator? That one only square you have to take. Ardhamainda? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It is r standard x divided by